ghastly, ladies. Look what I got. And you're probably saying, well, what is that, Cal? These are head scarves. And you get 6 in a pack for $20. 6 in a pack, I believe, for like $19.99. I'll leave the link down in the description box. And I got these because of my braids. They have to get redone the end of the month. And you know, when you're taking your braids out, you be walking around looking crazy. And I wanted some type of fashion statement for once I take off my, take out my braids. And I'm not getting them, let my hair breathe for a week. And I wanted something that was a little stylish, but not too flashy as a headscarf. So we're gonna open up this burgundy one. And I like how they're individual wrapped. Ooh, and these are nice and soft. So that's why I have my Cafetin on today. And because I knew that I had a burgundy one that was coming. And it's already wrapped in the front with the little flap, I guess the little rosette in the front. And all you do, child, slip one of these on when you going out to the store, and bam, tuck my braids in the back, and you got an instant headscarf for the store. Isn't that fabulous? You ain't got to worry about wrapping that around too tight and trying to tie it up. OMG. Excuse the way that I'm looking. Not feeling too good, but I'm trying to push these videos out to y'all. And look at that one. Oh, I love it. Put some nice, or you can cover your ears too. Put some nice earrings on, put your face on, and go on to the store the way you got to go. Good cover up for when it's raining, the whole nine. Or if you're at the beach and you get out, the water or the pool, these are nice cover ups. So we got it in the burgundy one. We're gonna test them all out on this camera today, just so you can see what they look like. This is like the black and white one. And these are really soft, I tell you. Let's see what the black and white look like. Oh, I like that one too. You could probably turn it over to the side. It ain't gotta be all up in the front. Look at that. I like the side view. I like the side view for that one. And then maybe have, pull your braids out. And this actually goes on with my cap. Pull your braids out. I'm gonna pull your braids out over here. Or whatever style that you have. Pull it down. Oh yes, I'm liking that one. Like I said, it ain't gotta be all, if you don't want all that in the front, or you can pull it over to the side. Okay, that's the black one. That's another black one. That's a black and white one. And here is again 2 black and white ones. Oh no, this is navy blue and white. Fabulous. Let's see what that one looks like. Oh yeah, I will be out shopping with these on tomorrow, if I can get up. That one. That's the black and white one. You know, and it's cold outside right now, especially y'all that's up north. This is nice just to run out to the store. If you're in the middle of getting your, you know, in between of getting your hair done. I thought these were nice. These are good. I haven't tried them out. I'm opening them in front of you the first time. But when you're jumping in the shower, this is a nice cover up. You know, put your face on, your earrings. Look at that. Oh, these are nice. I'm telling y'all. Not too much work to do. Just put it on. You can do it in the front. Slide it to the side. Right, so that's the blue and white one. So y'all know y'all gonna be seeing me rocking every single one in the video for y'all. This is a pretty color. It's got like navy browns and a little orange on it. Let's see what that one looks like. And one more. I'm not too crazy about this color. Like I said, I got them for personal use in the house. I'm going to the braid shop. Ain't nobody going in there looking crazy until she pulls it off and gets to start working on my hair. This is a little too loud for me, but I would wear it, you know, just in the house. And these are little fashion statements. It's better to wear those bonnets, walking around looking crazy. Yes, I said it. This is a much better look. No effort at all to go out and look fabulous, even if your hair is not done. I'm just gonna pull this up. Out here, I don't know who started that craze, walking around with bonnets. That's not, especially out in public. My grandma said, if you can't go out looking presentable, stay in the house. You know what I'm saying? Outside with pajamas on and whole nine and slippers in the store. Come on, ladies, let's get it together. But yes, throw your little makeup on real quick. You're not a makeup person. Put your little lip gloss on and little earrings, and go on and do what you got to do. Even if you're wearing a jogging suit and sneakers, you know. So yeah, these are my new headgears, and I'm probably not even pronouncing them right. But if you ladies know what these are called. It says in the picture that they're the SATINIORs, and you get a 6-piece. And this is what the style looked like on camera. And see how she got hers, wearing it with her dress? I thought these were fabulous. And it just shows you the difference, how you can wear it in the back, on the sides. Yes. Here's another lady, professional at work with the black and white one. I thought that was nice. Professional model wearing them. Check it out. So if you're into these type of things, these type of, you know, the SATINIOR, I guess that's what it's saying. These were $20.99. And for 6 of them, good price. So, like I said, this is one style, another style, it's 3. You get the navy blue, 4, 5, and 6. So that is my little haul that I got today from Amazon. I just wanted to get on and show you the packages because I try not to go out too much to the store. I've been doing a lot of Amazon shopping online, and I'll tell you, it's worth every bit of it. You don't have to have that stress, you know, in the store trying to cover up with all, you know, with your mask and everything else. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I will put the links down at the bottom, and if you do purchase them, let me know. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share my unboxing. And always remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. I will see y'all in another video. Stay blessed and be safe. Bye-bye.